After the instrument is unpacked, you need to count the accessories bags. Open the accessory bag. Take out the contents. There are our factory documents. Certificate of Conformity Instrument Instruction Manual. Factory report of the instrument. Packing list of instruments. Make an inventory of the accessories inside according to the list. Power cord. Furniture foot switch. Hex wrench. Cross screwdriver, etc. Then install the instrument. The accessories ready to be installed are all here. Power cord. Foot switch trachea. Connect the power first. Plug the other end into the power plug. Install the foot switch. Insert this interface according to the label. Go and connect this air source again. The tracheal interface is on the other side of the instrument. Directly connect. After the G-pipe is connected, external pressure gauge intake pressure control at 300 billion Pa. Look at the inner circle around 3. Through this knob. Clockwise is turned up. Counterclockwise, yes, turn it down. Just keep the intake pressure at this position. This is the adjustment circuit for the intake pressure. After connecting, it can be turned on. The power switch is flipped up here. There are 3 things we need to set up here. The first one is stress. The second sentence is time setting. The third is the temperature setting. First, the hot air pressure. The external pressure gauge is the intake air is the pressure of 300 billion Pa. That instrument, this pressure gauge, it is set according to the requirements of the sample. The pressure of this sample, it requires a pressure of about 0.14. Pull out the pressure regulator. Turn the handle to the right to adjust the pressure. Turning left can reduce this hot air time, set according to the test requirements of the sample. So the demo sample is 0.5 seconds. The 1245th key here is the value setting key. The third key is the time division and second function conversion. There will be an add button here. Subtract the button then. It is the corresponding increase or decrease of time. The third word is temperature control. First, turn on the thermostat. After it is shown above, you can set the temperature value of the hot air. The demo video is set at 165 degrees. The bottom button has a modem button. Press to enter the parameter group setting. Use this shift button to move the number of bits. The third and fourth buttons are the setting values. Decrease key, increase key. After the hot air temperature is adjusted, press mode to save settings. Wait until the hot air temperature rises to the set value and the temperature has stabilized. Ready to test the sample. Take out the prepared sample, put it in the furniture of the instrument. Let's pull this furniture out first. This furniture cannot be completely dragged out, because on the side, there is a fixed line position here. Just loosen these 2 knobs a little bit. It is convenient for the furniture to move back and forth. Put this sample in this position first. Then put the heat and film. Put it in the limit of the instrument. It's the 4 corners on the side. It is just the location of the heat and film. After the samples are put away, then gently push it in. Step on the foot switch. You can take it out after heating up. When you take it out, you can gently push down the bottom of the sample, so you can take it out. You can see that the whole thing is hot and healed. After the heat is healed, take the corresponding instrument to test its thermal force. Instrument maintenance requires this guide here. The guide rails on both sides need to be refueled regularly. It must be added every 3 months. This lubricating oil is used. Just apply the lubricating oil directly to it. Smear on this side. Then after painting, let the instrument move back and forth. You can turn on the automatic switch. This keeps the rods of the instrument lubricated.